Okay, in today's session, we are going to discuss 5 important questions for current affairs. Earlier, we have been discussing topic-wise. Today and in the next few sessions, we are going to take up some important questions. Question number 1. Under which scheme the central government would support children who have lost both parents due to COVID-19? Prime Minister Jan Dhan Yojana, Prime Minister JJBY, Prime Minister Cares for Children, Prime Minister Shishu Suraksha Yojana. So a lot of people, there have been orphans because of this COVID-19 casualties. Even the Supreme Court recently passed a remark asking the government to take care of such orphans. So the answer is C, PM Cares for Children. Now, what it will entail is that the children will be entitled to receive a monthly stipend once they attain age of 18 years of age and will receive a corpus of rupees 10 lakhs when they attain an age of 23 years out of the PM Cares Fund. So this is an important scheme for all of you to know. The next question, which molecule is the genetic material of SARS-CoV-2 virus? DNA, RNA, both or none? So these viruses can be based on DNA or RNA. The COVID virus is based on RNA. So the correct option is B. Okay, so please, this is a question which can come as part of your science portion or as part of your current affairs. The COVID-19 virus is an RNA-based virus. Question number 3. Recently, this gentleman passed away, Sundarlal Bahuguna, at the age of 94. He was a famous sports person related to environments, business person or economist. The correct answer is B. He is a Padma Vibhushan awardee, and this famous Chipko movement to save trees was his main contribution to saving the environment. He was very well known because the movement started from Uttarakhand. So please, the correct answer is B, environmentalist. Question number 3. Dipcovan is an antibody detection based kit developed by which organization? The correct answer is B, DRDO. The Defense Research and Development Organization has been making its own contribution to this COVID-19 fight against COVID-19, and Dipcovan is an antibody detection kit developed by them. So a lot of pharma companies have been contributing, and so has been the DRDO. Question number 5 rather. According to the Government of National Territory of Delhi Amendment Act 2021, the Government of Delhi means Chief Minister of Delhi, Cabinet Minister of Delhi, Prime Minister of India, Lieutenant Governor of Delhi. So if you remember, in the last session of Current Affairs, we have discussed this amendment to this National Capital Territory of Delhi Act, Amendment of 2021. And as per this amendment, the government means the Lieutenant Governor of Delhi. So the correct answer is D, Lieutenant Governor of Delhi. The elected representatives of the Union Territory will have to seek the opinion of Lieutenant Governor before taking any executive decision. So the correct option is D, Lieutenant Governor of Delhi. So today we have discussed 5 important questions, and in next few sections, this is how we are going to proceed discussing some important questions. Thank you for the session today. We'll meet next time.